Welcome back. Today we're going to go over ordering negative numbers, and for today the very first thing, key idea is the more negative a number is, the smaller the number is. The smaller the number is, the further left that number is on the number line. So those are some key ideas that we need to think about. Starting out, we have four numbers here that we need to order, and it says in the instructions, order the following numbers from least to greatest. So to keep track of this, I'm going to go ahead and color coordinate it. We look at these numbers and see, okay, this first one, 79, on our number line here from negative 100 to positive 100, 79 is closer to the 100, so I'm going to go ahead and put a dot over here that's pretty close to the 100 area, and that's where 79 is going to be. Then I go to my next number, 20. 20 is closer to 0 than it is anything else, so I'm going to go ahead and put a dot pretty close to 0 and label that 20, and then I go ahead and same thing, 80. 80 is right next to 79, so I'm going to just go ahead and set that dot right next to this, and I get that on there. Then lastly, our first negative number, negative 44, that is on the left hand side of the 0, so it's going to be over in this area, almost close to half, so we go ahead and put a dot there for 44. Now that I have them organized from least to greatest, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite them, which means I now have negative 44, 20, 79, and 80 from least to greatest. Next example. Negative 28, 22, negative 52, and 44. The instructions state ordering the following numbers from least to greatest. And here we again have our negative 100 to 100. So starting out, negative 28, that is left of 0, and it's going to be before halfway, it's going to be in between about middle of the halfway mark. So I'm going to go ahead and put that dot right here representing 28. The negative 28. Then 22 is positive, so that's going to be right. And again, same type of thing. It's going to be from the halfway mark, halfway again. So we go ahead and put that dot in there. And then negative 52. Negative 52 is negative, so it's going to be on the left. And 52 is almost exactly center from 0 to 100. So I go ahead and put that there. And then last but not least, 44, that is a positive, so we'll go ahead and put that on the positive side. So 44 is almost halfway, so we'll go close to halfway, which rewriting these in numerical order, we have negative 52, negative 28, 22, and 44. Our last example, we have all negative numbers, so negative 11, negative 41, negative 59, negative 23. All of them are negative, so that means we will not need this side of the number line, but I'm going to go ahead and just leave that on there. So with this one, ordering them from least to greatest, I'm going to start out with 11. 11 is really close to 0, so I'm going to go ahead and put a dot somewhere close by, and again, keeping it color coordinated. So then after that, negative 41 is close to half, but it's not exactly half, so a little bit less than half. Go ahead and start and put that dot there. And then I have negative 59 on my number line is after half, and then pretty close to half still. So we have negative 59, and then last but not least, a negative 23. That is in between the negative 41 and negative 11. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a dot in between there. And now that I have them least to greatest, I'm going to go rewrite that. Negative 59, negative 41, negative 23, and negative 11. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or concerns, go ahead and leave a comment below. Have a great day.